Well, February has just been cold on top of more cold. We've seen so many record-breaking low temperatures this month already. In fact, 5 of them have occurred just this past week alone. Are we going to be seeing any more of that record-breaking cold today? No. We're only going to get down to a low of about 10 degrees today. Our high will be about 20 degrees, which is still almost 20 degrees below where we should be for this time of year. It should be 40 degrees, and that would feel very warm right now with all this cold we've been dealing with. But across much of the country, in fact, the only spot that we see 40 degrees is down in Topeka and in North Platte. During the day today, we will see those temperatures right around 20 degrees for that high, but things will begin to cool off quite rapidly. Going into Thursday morning, we'll be staying at 11 degrees, but up to the northwest, we see a big area of high pressure that will be sending much cooler conditions to our area by the time we get into Friday and Saturday. In fact, take a look, 10 p.m., we're already down to 1 below, and we still have the rest of the overnight to go. Plenty of pink and purple across much of the Midwest, so it will be downright cold, especially Friday and Saturday morning. You're going to want to bundle up as those wind chills will be between 10 and 15 below zero outside. So take extra time and wear those extra layers, because just even a little bit of wind will make it feel so much colder than what it actually is. If cold were the only thing we had to deal with, it could be bearable. Unfortunately, we still have to deal with some snowfall off to the west. That will be coming in later this afternoon into the evening hours and then sticking around for Thursday morning. In the afternoon hours, much of that snow will be clear, with the exception of a lake effect band setting up around the border of Illinois and Indiana, giving those areas a few more inches of snow. Down to the southwest, we see our next storm system that's beginning to brew, and that will be making its way to our area come the weekend. But looking back to the system for overnight tonight and into tomorrow, right around 2.5 inches of snow here in Valparaiso. But again, right by the border of Illinois and Indiana, we see more snowfall, and that's indicative of where that lake effect snow band will be setting up. But for the day today, 20 degrees, clouds will be on the increase throughout the day ahead of that snowfall coming in overnight tonight. We'll drop down to about 10 degrees, so not as cold as it has been lately, but still a little bit on the cool side, especially since those temperatures will not warm up much, only to about 15 degrees. Those clouds will clear by the overnight hours, and clear skies means those temperatures will continue to fall going into Friday morning and Saturday morning. Those lows will be below zero, and that is the next opportunity we have to possibly break another record low temperature. By the time we get into March, which is already on Sunday, we have another storm system coming through that could bring another few inches of snow. Thankfully, temperatures will still be in the mid-20s for Sunday, as well as going into Monday.